Yes. Sriram, you need to say anything? Normally, you only start.
Sir, I have not actually done any analysis, but one thing I'm just checking on one rule. Probably I say that and I will leave that. I'm just checking on the how the past life events would have happened for him. That is by checking the sixth lord, Saturn, is star of Saturn, and in this present this thing it is sitting in 7. So his prarabdha is to deal with some labor class in this life, and he is also having the suffering from that maybe the subordinates or maybe with the labor class, and his 12th son is with Jupiter. So he would have been connected with some government job at the same time, or maybe in the construction field. And again, he's dealing with the labor class, and that is his prarabdha. And he's having that suffering there because even the seventh star lord, that Rahu is in sun star itself. So Rahu is also having a problem. So one wife side problem is there because Saturn is in 7th house. Some kind of a problem in the marital life. Again, that is one of these prarabdha. So in the past life, he has troubled some of the females with the aggression, or maybe with forcefully, he might have done some, committed some mistakes. And that's something which is affecting in this life. And yeah, so this is one point which I'm just trying to see whether it is right or wrong.
Okay. Anyone else? Anandavali, madam. You are in mute, I think.
Remember, I haven't done any analysis, but I think the 5th lord in the 7th house. I remember you saying that one of the spouse will be very intelligent, and the difference of intelligence will be very sharp, you said. So the 5th lord in the 7th house, and probably because there is a lot of difference in the after the marriage, probably the question is about the child. I don't know.
Okay. Any other point you need to add? See, one.
Yeah, one other point, sir. Here, if you see Mercury and Moon connecting there in the Cancer, and Moon being the highest degree, and also in the as per the Nadi combination, if you see Mercury, Moon, Ketu will get connected. He's away from the mother from the childhood, or he's having problem with the mother. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, I tell you one thing. Parimala madam, you need to give anything? You need to say anything?
Sir, I just wanted to ask the ascendant Lord Mercury and the nodes are closely connected degree wise. So does this indicate hereditary health issues, anything, sir?
See, hereditary issue is very obvious in the combination of Sun and Jupiter.
Sun and Jupiter, right.
Yeah, yesterday itself we discussed this.
Right. Okay.
I also said that genetic related disease will be there.
Okay. So now, does this also indicate the same thing, sir? Lagnadipati having the same degrees with the nodes. Okay.
Definitely.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
Sir,
see, one very yes.
If the 5th lord in 7th, they like each other both, sir.
Pardon?
If the 5th lord is in 7th house, I think the husband and wife, they like each other.
Yeah. See here, no need to say 6th and the 7th and all. It's very clear that Saturn is in 7th. It is in Digbala.
Okay.
Okay. Here Saturn is in 7th house. It is in Digbala. Definitely it has to be good. He is not here, but still we discuss about this. It must be good. One. And one very strong visible rule is there. I don't know why you haven't seen this. Saturn is away from Rahu Ketu. Okay. Now you tell what all the things you can say about this.
He will be
Saturn
away
is
from Purvika, sir.
One. Second thing. Anandavali madam, you are in mute.
He will be away from his native place for a job.
Yes,
That
definitely.
is the
Born
main.
in Dharmaburi, settled in Bangalore.
What did you say, sir?
Settled in Bangalore.
Yeah.
Okay. Not only that, how many points you can say when Saturn is away from that?
I mean, he is
See,
not. His
one thing,
Purvigam is not connected.
we can strongly say, Saturn is in Digbala. No need to discuss about his marital life because it has to be good. Okay, that is different. If at all, if he has any problem there, that we will have to see other things only. That is a very lowest degree Venus, lowest degree Mercury, lowest degree Rahu. These things only we should blame, we should not blame Saturn. Saturn gives a very strong marital life. It is in Digbala. It is in 7th house. Rest of the things you'll have to see. It is the 5th lord, it is the 6th lord. What all the things you can say? Now you analyze, because he has clearly mentioned that a very strong, severe health issue. Okay, that came in the early age itself because of 6th lord. The Saturn is away from Rahu Ketu.
Genetic disease.
I have noted down few things. What all the I tell what all the things it is there. Now let us see. Venus plus Mercury plus Rahu Ketu. All same degree. All lowest degree. Not
Yes.
just the same degree. All lowest degree.
Yes. Yes.
These are all the features of this horoscope. One. Saturn in Digbala. It is there. 89 to 92. Venus Dasa Rahu Bhukti. Okay. At the age of 23 to 26, he has to be in a relationship. That we can strongly say. He has to be in a, he must be in a relationship. It would have been that he has not mentioned anything. It clearly indicates at the age of 23 to 26. Next one is only Saturn's aspect to Lagna, no other planet. I already said when Saturn is connected to Lagna, little bit of adamancy, lethargy, all these things will be there. Very strong lethargy will be there. One. And no planets aspect to Moon also. Mars is connected with the Moon degree wise. Both are in same degree. Moon and Mars same degree. So Moon and Mars would have given high BP or low BP and the related disease. That also we can strongly say. And another thing, HD and LD planets in 11th house. When two planets combination in one house, one is HD and another one is LD, that related Karakatva organ definitely will be affected.
Sir,
Here,
HD is
Kadaga.
Mars, no, sir. HD is Mars.
Very
Not,
few, very few minute difference with the Moon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can't ignore Moon also. That's also SD only. Moon and Mercury in 11th house. One is HD, another one is LD. So Kadaka Rasi related organ would have been affected. Okay. Another thing, 93, 94, severe health problem he has mentioned. Any shoulder related problem, because Sun and Saturn, they are very close degree. Any bone related fracture like incident would have been there. Venus, Mercury, Rahu, Ketu, all in LD. Any hormone problem, urinary tract problem, that would have been there. Anything related to kidney or urinary related problem would have been there. There is one important thing is that period Ashtama Sani, very strong Ashtama Sani. Here, why I mention Ashtama Sani means when Saturn comes to the 6th house, that will exactly occupy the center position of Rahu Ketu axis. Now you see the chart, where is Rahu and where is Ketu? Exactly in the center place, transit Saturn will be transiting. That would have given this problem. Ashtama Sani will be very strong, for particularly that affects a lot for Simha Rasi and Kadaka Rasi, even Mesha Rasi people also. Generally, Ashtama Sani do not leave any Rasi, any sign. Particularly, these people are worst affected. And here his Saturn is away from Rahu Ketu axis also. One second.
Sir, Ashtama Sani you're seeing from moon only, right? Sir?
Yes.
That will be only next when it moves to Kumbha Rasi, right?
Yeah, that will be there. That we will see at the end of
Now
this
it is
section.
only in Makaram.
Now, earlier, I am talking about the earlier period.
Earlier
Yes.
period, how will it be in the center point of Rahu Ketu, sir?
Madam, by 93, 94, it was in Kumbham. Transit Saturn was in Kumbham. Okay. Whenever transit Saturn comes to Kumbha Rasi, it will be affected. 2, 3 things. One is Ashtama Sani.
Okay, 30 years before.
Yes. Okay. 93, 94. He has mentioned about severe health problem. I see because of Ashtama Sani. He has to be affected. Financial loss would have been there. Any close relatives loss would have been there. He would have lost many things in that period. He would have denied many things. He would have been denied many things in that period. If not have got whatever he aspired in that period, all these things would have happened because of Ashtama Sani. Definitely health issues would have been there. Many struggles. See, these Ashtama Sani strongly you can say, they will say yes. They will not leave anyone. Barring 2, 3 things. I said when this will not affect, only those people only will be safe from Ashtama Sani. Rest of the people, everyone will have this problem. Here, I predict, since Saturn and Sun are very close degree, any shoulder related problem or hip related problem, any bone related fracture like incident would have been there. This I have predicted this. Any hormone problem, urinary tract problem, because Venus, Mercury, Rahu, Ketu, all are in close degree. All are in LD. That would have been there. In fact, had I craved for any big money, definitely that period would have given him a very big craving for earning very big money. That would have put him in severe problem. The mind-related mental stress would have been very severe. Mind-related problem chances are more because LD and HD planets are in Kadakam itself. That would have been there. I strongly see that that could be also a reason. Mind-related, mental-related problem, but he has mentioned as health-related. And 98, by 98, he got married. It must be between June and December. He has not mentioned the period when he got the marriage. That is, I believe it should be between June and December. Shukra Dasa, Buddha Bhukti, and Shukra Nandra. In that period, I must have got married, I believe. In case and I got married before that, that is before Kedu Andhra, definitely during Kedu Andhra, it would have been much affected for that period. Shukra Dasa, Buddha Bhukti, and Kedu Andhra would have given him much problem. If he has got married during Shukra Andhra, that is Shukra Dasa, Buddha Bhukti, and Shukra. In that period, had he got married, definitely it would not have given him any problem. And 99 February.
1998. He has mentioned only the year 1998 marriage.
Yes. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It must be between June and December. And another thing, 99 February, business class, completely zero balance. Here, you must see few things. Saturn in Digbala, Moon in 11th house. His business will be always fine, no doubt about it. But except Ashtama Sani, rest of the period, business is good. In Ashtama Sani, only you would have had all these financial crunch and all. But that period is not Ashtama Sani, but at the same time, Venus, Mercury, and Chandran period. Venus Dasa, Mercury Bhukti, and Chandran Andhra Dasa. There is one possibility for this last. That is, he has not mentioned anything here. What I see is he must have concentrated on some other aspect that is related to Venus and Mercury. This we have already elaborately discussed about Venus and Mercury. That too, when Rahu Ketu join with them, that completely divert the native on some other thing. Generally, Shukra and Buddha diverts the native's attention on some other pleasurable things. And he is also he was newly married. He would have concentrated on something else. He would not have concentrated his business. That could be the reason for that loss. That's what I see. Definitely that will divert the concentration. Normally this period when it comes, we will have to advise, see this period will totally distract your attention from business. You will have to be very much alert with regard to business. That we can very well advise. And the next one is 2005 to 6 built a house. 2006. See, all these periods are good only. Next, the 11th house moon period is good only. He purchased a car. It should be in September to December period. 2015 September to December period. That is Chandra Dasa and Shukra Bhukti period. 11th and 9th Lord. That must have happened in that period. Now, what all the things, what all the feedbacks he has given, you tell me that we can analyze. He has mentioned about the health issues. What health issues he has? Parimala madam? Hello? Okay. See, now I tell one thing very strongly. He has not asked any questions about the future, but still we can say only one thing. When transit Saturn moves to Kumbham, he has to be careful. What he had during 93-94, the same thing will get repeated. So he has to be careful on this. That is one thing.
I also thought that.
Yeah. One thing we can strongly tell him. When he is alert, when he is very cautious about this, the problem, the severity of the problem will be very less. When you anticipate something, when it comes, you will not mind about it, or you will accept in a soft manner. You will be in a position to accept it. The severity will be less.
I would like to know if his question is about Mars related issue, whether it is land or property, because today's moon is on in Leo and is being aspected only by Mars and none other than Mars. So is it a question regarding the Mars aspect, whether it is his sibling or any property issue?
Yeah, here, say,
Fourth
this
aspect means
question
property.
only. Yeah. See, this is the one chart, it is very, very evident. Yesterday you asked one question. Two planets are in same degree in different houses. But in a same house, one planet is in highest degree, one planet is in lowest degree. How will you consider? This is one evidence. Whatever we talked yesterday, this is one evidence. Here, Mars is aspecting today's transit moon.
Yes.
Of course. Today's transit moon has just crossed his natal moon.
Hello.
Okay.
And
Hello.
probably today's natal moon has the same degree as the Mars.
Definitely. So his question is about.
Madam, I am joined.
Okay, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, madam.
Welcome. Welcome. Sir, you are driving?
No, sir, I am in car. Tell me, sir.
Okay. If you are driving, we can avoid it. You can listen to the recording.
No,
later.
sir, not driving, sir.
Okay, okay.
What
Yeah.
is your question,
Tell
sir?
me, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, your question is about the Mars and moon.
Okay.
That clearly shows that your question should be about the Mars and moon. That is related to any health
Property.
issues like property as well as low BP,
Yeah, I
high
am
BP
now
related things.
suffering health problem, sir.
Low BP, high BP problem, or any
Low BP, sir.
low BP problem.
Just
That
now,
clear-
1 week before, I suffered a low BP, some little bit serious problem, sir.
Okay. Chances are more for this, sir. Low BP, high BP problem because Mars and moon are connected in your chart. See, this is one indication. This is what yesterday we discussed. In one house, even if two planets are there, if they are away, one is in lowest degree, another one is in highest degree, we need not consider that. Of course, the house-related problem will be that the house is affected. At the same time,
Okay.
the planet which is in highest degree, that will combine with any other highest degree planet.
Yes.
Very close. That will act together. And today's transit moon is aspected by Mars. Mars and your natal moon are in same degree. So Mars moon related questions will be there. That is low BP or high BP problem.
When it is cured, sir?
Hello?
Hello, when is it is cured? Is it curable or not curable, sir?
It is curable, sir. One thing I tell you, sir. From 2024 November 11th, 21st, see 21/11/2024 onwards, you will not have this problem, sir. No?
Thank you, sir. The same answer will our sir. Hello?
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Murthy JK pura ide program.
Somebody is talking. I think we should.
Hello? Hello?
Sir, Gopal Krishnan sir, same answer. He is also telling the same thing.
Sir, I am his student, sir.
Yes, sir. We are very grateful, sir.
I'm his student. Not only this incident,
I know,
in
sir.
many, it has happened many occasions
And
earlier
he
also.
says there is no parihara also, he says.
Sir, here are this thing. I tell you that Parigara and all, I will tell you that will reduce the harmness. At the same time, by 2024, November 21st onwards, you will be free from this. Definitely, you will be free from this. After that, yeah, all these things will be, there. You will normally, you struggle a lot to maintain your body.
Okay, sir.
You
Sir,
struggle,
after 24,
yeah,
then
this
again the
period,
Ashtama Sani will be there, sir.
Yes.
yeah, this problem is because of Master Dasa. Master Dasa has to be over. Master Dasa should be over. By 21st November 2024, Master Dasa will be over.
Yes, sir. Next to Rahu Dasha, sir.
No need to worry about Rahu Dasa, sir. Rahu is in good position only. It is in Rishabha. Yeah, no need, and it has combined with Venus. No need to worry about Rahu Dasa. Definitely, Rahu will give very good benefit. What are all the things you expected earlier, all these things you will get in this period. That I tell you strongly. Because yesterday itself I said, when Rahu joins with any benefic planet, during Rahu Dasa, that benefic planet, Rahu will act like that the benefic planet. Yesterday also I mentioned a few, 2-3 incidents for that. When Rahu combines with Jupiter, you should not say that the native will be deprived of childbirth. Because during Rahu Dasa, Guru Bhukti, definitely Rahu will give a child. Because Rahu will act like Jupiter. Here Rahu will act like Venus.
What problem, sir, now?
Pardon?
What problem is there?
What problem? Bone problem.
Court. Now,
He says it's a court problem. Court.
Court.
yes, sir.
No. Oh, court case and all.
Yeah, court case is there.
Okay, sir. Okay.
About property?
Not property, some other litigation. Bank litigation.
Oh, okay. Bank litigation problem.
Different problem.
Oh, okay. Sir, that, see, you will be worrying about that litigation till May 2020. Next year. Next year, May 2020, you will be very much worrying about this. But I tell you strongly, no need to worry about this.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, by 2022, October 16th onwards, that will be over. You note down this date. 16/10/2022.
Now it is arguments is going
And
on,
this-
sir.
No, that will be over, sir. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now argument is going on.
Yeah, now argument, opposite party is going on.
Okay, that is bank.
Bank.
If it is possible, you pull on.
Okay.
Okay. You pull on, you try to postpone till 2022 October.
That long time you can't push it,
And
sir.
another, yeah, one more thing, sir. Either it has to be over before May. Before May, it has to be over. Either it has to be over before May
Okay.
or after 2022 October.
Okay.
These two periods. Okay.
Shall I have one, sir?
And you see to that you don't prolong this for a long time, because then Ashtama Sani comes. By 2023 January onwards, you will be having the same problem. And see, I'm only cautioning you. Okay, I'm only alerting you. Don't worry about this. When you are prepared for this, the severity will be less. What problem you had during 93-94, the same will repeat.
Okay.
Okay, that time you had related to health. This time it may be related to property, this, that, and
In
all.
93, sir.
Yeah,
in 1993.
93, 94, you mentioned about the severe problem.
Health problem, sir. Same low
That,
BP.
yeah, yeah.
Low BP, jaundice, typhoid, 3 at a time attacking, sir.
Yeah,
21 days.
that's what I have mentioned. Yeah, that's what I have mentioned. Because of Ashtama Sani, sir. Severe Ashtama Sani.
Ama.
Severe Ashtama Sani. And one more thing you like to see. Not only health related problem, severe financial problem would have been there, or any close relatives loss would have been there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Financial position also that time a little bit I lost.
Yeah. And many things would have happened. You would have faced a lot of insult.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, all these things would have, because Ashtama Sani will be very strong in that period, sir. Because normally for Kadaka Lagna, December Lagna, Mesha Lagna, Vrishika Lagna, this period, sorry, Kadaka Rasi, Simha Rasi, not Lagna, Rashis. Vrishika Rasi and Mesha Rasi, these people and all, Ashtama Sani, normally Ashtama Sani will not spare anyone. Particularly these 4 Rashis will be worst affected. That is the reason. Don't worry about this. From 2023 January onwards, you'll have to be a little bit careful. That's all. Don't worry about that. In case if the same problem continues, you call me by that time. I'll tell you simple parihara that will safely help you to cross over the period. Hello? Okay. The golden rule, what I say from this chart is, Moon and Mercury are very in a same house, but in very distant. At the same time, Moon and Mars are in the same degree. Moon 23.23, Mars 23.44. In same degree, almost overlapped. Not overlapped in different houses only, but in same degree. So, Mars and Moon related diseases are there, low BP, high BP related problem. And another thing, it would, and one more thing, he is Ailya Nakshatra. Ailya Nakshatra, that is jaundice. Mercury related disease, that is jaundice. And in that period, I think it is Venus and Jupiter period, I think. Normally, Jupiter and Mercury give jaundice. This already we have in Sriram chart also we have discussed. Okay. These are all the things. And Saturn is aspecting Lagna. Sir, a few things I tell you. Little bit lethargy will be there. You shed out those things. You be active. You can solve the problem. The moment you start being active, you will be free from any problem. Any bone related problem is there, sir? Hello? Okay, let him give the feedback in the group. I think he's traveling.
Maybe his
Bone related problem. Yeah, bone related problems are very prominent in his chart, particularly shoulder related problem are very strong in the chart because Sun is in Midhunam, Saturn and Sun are in the same degree. They both aspect the Lagna's 4th house. So any shoulder related or thigh related bone problem, definitely it would have been there. These are all the things very common. Okay. Anything else?
Ramesh, sir, unmute.
Sir,
Hello?
profession he did not say, sir.
Pardon?
Profession he did not say. What is his profession?
That he has not mentioned.
Yeah.
He must be in business. He should be in business. That you can strongly say. Because
That's
Saturn
why
is
the
in
ups and
Digbala.
downs.
Saturn is in Digbala, Moon in 11th house, he must be in this. Okay. Okay, sir.
And also I see it like this, sir. Moon, Mercury, Ketu, Saturn. They are all connected via the Jaltatu Rasi. So he would have had problems in the career wise.
See, when Mercury connected with the Rahu Ketu, definitely that will give a big problem. Any document related problem, any posted check related problem, all these things definitely will be there. Whatever documents he gives, some fault would have been there.
Okay.
Because Rahu Ketu, when connect with the Mercury, every possibility that he may overlook something and he may hand over the document. So that will create the problem. Even during that period, if anyone travels from here to abroad, every possibility of having any passport related problem, visa related problem or something. See, the native will strongly believe that everything is perfect, but the authorities will find fault. Okay. Okay. Here, Selvagani sir is not. Here, Selvagani sir is not there. If he is there, definitely he will advise something related to any free documentation like that. Anything by helping others. Definitely, we can expect that.
Sir, like he did not say like how he's dealing with the opposite party, because the 7th house Saturn is there.
It is in Digbala.
Yeah, Digbala, but he will be having problems in when communicating with others, or facing some problem.
It's a communication problem. Definitely, it is there because Mercury, the Lagna Lord is in 11th house in lowest degree, connected with the Rahu Ketu degree wise. Definitely, it would have been there. And 7th house Saturn, definitely the communication problem will be there. Whatever he talks, others will understand in a different way. He'll be saying something, but that will be understood in different way. Okay.
And
here, Sun and Jupiter, are they? Is it combust, sir? Jupiter, Sun because 7 degree and Jupiter is 16 degree.
I think every 10 degrees, I think.
It is not combust, no, sir. 9 degrees apart.
Okay.
He has not mentioned about his child or anything.
No, I don't think any problem in that.
No, he mentioned about the date of his marriage, not of childbirth.
Childbirth he has not mentioned.
I think he has mentioned a daughter and a son.
Yeah, that's what I don't find any problem in that. It is not combust actually. If they are very, very close, then you can say
3 degrees or so.
If they are very, very close, you can say.
In the same pada, we can say.
Same pada.
Madam, no siblings, madam?
That I am not too sure, sir. He has not mentioned that. I think in the group he has posted few points, right? I'm just checking on that.
Okay.
Okay. Can we shall we call it as a day or any other question?
Sir.
Any other doubt?
One more question, sir.
Yes. Yeah, tell me, sir.
January, December 2020, I am getting, I got my promotion, sir. Still now, I am not yet received my promotion order from government. Is
Okay,
official
sir.
announcement and everything.
What's your profession, sir? What's your profession?
My profession, I am working in a government college as a junior
Okay.
assistant. Now I
Okay.
am promotion first year senior assistant.
Okay.
But still not yet I am getting the order copy, sir.
Sir.
Every time when I go office, he said something.
How long how long it is being dragging on, sir?
On December 23rd, 2020, sir. Officially announced, but still I am not yet received.
We'll have to wait for a few more periods, sir. The present period is not favorable. Okay.
At least when I am expecting, sir?
December 23rd,
20. 11
20.
months is over, sir.
Okay.
After so many people get the order copy and everything that transferred, I am only the head up.
One second, sir. I'm just checking the chart.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm just checking the chart,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Please wait. Yeah.
Sir, Ramesh sir, one more question I wanted to ask.
Either you will have to get before 2022 May month. Okay. You'll have to get before, yes, 22 May. Either you will have to get before that period or you will have to wait till next year October. So 22 October. Yeah. After that period, definitely you can expect it. This is the period. It's very there will you try to get before 2022 May.
2022, still 1 year, sir.
Another 6 months, sir. 5-6 months. You try to get before this period, May 2022. If it crosses the period, it will be little bit difficult to get it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you try to get before this period.
Okay.
If you period, then you have to wait. Pariyara, I tell you only one thing, sir.
What, sir? Son.
Female deity, sir. Like Durga.
Okay.
Yeah. Female god. Durga worship you can do, sir, because both are high degree. Mars and the moon are high degree. Moon is in water sign itself. Durga on the banks of any lake or pond or river, that temple you can go, sir.
Okay.
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 The Durga as well as the goddess will be in a child pose.
Okay.
Okay. That Parigara will definitely help you.
Okay.
Because 9th house and the 11th house connection, Mars and the moon are there. Today's
Durga temple and pond is there.
definitely, sir. That you continue that, you will be fine.
Okay.
Okay. Whenever you have problem, you go to Durga temple.
Okay.
You will be fine. It clearly shows in your chart.
Durga, sir.
Sir, in your chart, it is very, very visible. That clearly indicates that the Durga worship will help you. Any problem, whatever it is, when it comes, you go to Durga temple, you will be fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, one more question, sir. Ramesh sir. Like Mercury, Moon, and Ketu. So you are having any problem, or you are away from your mother?
What's that? Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, he is asking.
Hello. Tell me, sir.
Whether you lived away from your mother earlier?
Yeah. we are separate. My mother and my brother is there.
I don't understand. Sriram, what did you ask exactly?
Yeah, that's what, sir. So either he would have been separated from the mother, it would have happened from the childhood itself.
Mm.
So that was my question.
Okay. Okay. Anything else, sir?
Nothing, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Right.
Balu sir, one question, sir.
Yes.
What is the combination for adopted son, sir?
Adopted.
Correct, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, for adoption, moon has to be away from Rahu Ketu axis. 1. Fourth house should be in Kendra Adhipatya dosha. See, very first chart itself, very first or second chart itself, we discussed about the adoption chart. Do you remember?
Maybe not, sir. I probably I didn't join at the time. Yeah.
Okay, it's a female chart. You can very well see the chart analysis. Second, I think. Second or third, I don't know. It should be second, I think. You can see that analysis. We have clearly discussed about the adoption rules. Moon has to be away from Rahu Ketu axis, means all moon related Karakatvas will be denied to the native. And fourth house in Kendra Adhipatya dosha, that is Kanya Lagna, Jupiter in fourth house, Mesha Rasi, that is Bharani star. Hello. Okay. Kanya Lagna, fourth house Jupiter in very strong position in Mula Trigona, very strong position.
Okay.
And eighth house moon. All these things, because of Jupiter, though she lost her mother, immediately she got she went for adoption.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Anything else?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sir Ramesh, sir, if you have any questions, you can very well post it in the group.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Others will also reply.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Sorry for
Thank
the
you.
delay, my side.
Okay. Okay. We understand. Okay. No problem.
Just now we reached the house, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Relax.
Thank you very
Bye.
much.
Thank you.
Nice to
Thank
meet
you. Thank you. Bye.